Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenzo TV. Kipetwe Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3. Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by the General.
What man is Tivo?
General Iwa.
What's it? Braga can't tell you sing now.
Put some respect on his name.
Some respect.
Propaganda is a general. He's a general.
All I'm saying is generally position 3.
Yeah.
Did you know that even if we donate 10 points to you now, you can't get out of position 3? Did you know that? Even if right now
they donate 10
Betway
points
said,
to you,
let's give Kaizer Chiefs 10 points.
Yes.
You can't get out of position 3. You'll still be behind Pirates.
Position 3.
Did you know that?
You can't go to
Generally,
No.
position 3.
No.
Why pizza?
No, Angasimo
He's denying.
No, Angasimo
He's denying stats.
No, already now 1 and 2 like I said ilwe.
Yeah,
can't tell you sing na ko braya ka ke drama yona re tlhakana le yona yona. Why? But anyways, Tibo, for the first time ever in a football history of PSL,
Yes, my
I'm
leader.
going to see a drama come Wednesday.
Which drama?
Hortmani, their own supporters turning their back against the football club.
Yeah.
The supporters of Kaizer Chiefs, they are turning their back against their own.
How?
Hortmani, they've already bought the Sundowns flag.
Serious?
Mara, they are going to wear a Kaizer Chiefs jersey.
Likila wale kozi.
Hortmani,
He's one of them.
he was one of them. Already he bought a Sundowns flag. Yeah, they are going to celebrate Sundowns when it scores against Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Just imagine.
Likabelo GP.
Hortmani, they even gave me a memorandum Brayaka from Kaizer Chiefs fans. Bakopelo re ko hand over in tomorrow morning 8 o'clock on Churena.
Yeah.
Ki line up e thanko di supporting tsa bakopelo re di coach di berekise on Wednesday. Hortmani, number 1 goalkeeper Bryce Vuma.
Yeah.
Left back Duba. Right back Modi. To center back Da Silva, Morris, two defending midfield. Hortmani, Mbuti sorry ke bona mamu. Velabai, Velabai as a defending midfield. Peterson, for the first time I'm going to see him at the attacking midfield. And then ke bona happily ke mango. Igadoro.
He's back.
As a midfield Italian.
He's back.
Hortmani, right wing. Kwinika.
Zita.
Left wing.
Yeah.
Ke bona motlholo mo. Left wing wa bona.
Man ke mango tsa di live na msi.
I see it like the fan.
Le jole ba so.
Wa bona. Left wing ya rena Ash wa bona. McCarthy. Striker Ramputi sorry ke mang?
Man leader.
Marco.
Aseka. Computer my friend.
Wednesday. This is a winning team, my brother. Line up itswile already. Winning team.
Kaopela makhosa idumetse tabe.
Etswa kwa bona ke re ba re ba ema le Sundowns. Mara I'm not standing
Le KG o idumetse la eng.
ke re bo botlhe le papa wa.
Yeah. Even the maximalist.
So my brother, I can't say I'm going to support Sundowns against my own. Remember, we're still suffering on position 3.
Yes.
Amazulu, it's also coming, it's not promising. Tomorrow's not promised for Kaizer Chiefs. So I'm not gonna let Mamelodi Sundowns to walk over like that.
Yeah.
They must know that the danger is coming on way.
Yeah.
But anyway, looking at Mamelodi Sundowns playing home ground Loftus this season, high percentage yabona playing home ground.
Yeah.
Ba excel.
Yeah, ba top.
Ba collect the point.
Yeah,
they are not losing
at all.
Percentage of ball position while they are playing home.
Yeah.
Another language.
Yeah.
Look at how they played in Polokwane there.
Yeah.
One thalwane. Ntene ba nyaka fela ke yona ya 1-0 e le batla ka mo mputsi so re o ira lang.
Wetsana.
League ye if Mamelodi Sundowns they can beat Kaizer Chiefs on Wednesday,
Yeah, Chenny.
let's close the chapter.
Iveli cha.
In number chai.
Iveli cha.
Pirates le ka di reka di patela kaofela game tse di setse.
Mara
I never
o
buy
kgonahale.
one. Hartman, even though Pirates win all remaining games,
Yeah.
I don't see Mamelodi Sundowns losing their game and ba setse ka game tse 3. Bana le TS Galaxy, bana le Siwelele, bana le Kaizer Chiefs. Mara when I look at this beautiful football club,
Yeah.
I'm telling you that they are going to make it.
Ne?
They are not going even to draw. They are going to win them all.
Ba setse le batho ba
Bare Sundowns ka sebethi Polokwane City back to back.
Ee.
E rileng.
Ribo.
Wa ntlhalwanya?
Etsahetse, ke Ribo.
But this is a back to back FC. Remember back to back CAF final.
Yeah.
Back to back Polokwane City.
Va.
Back to back Mo League number
Va.
1. It's all about once
to
you say
back.
back to back, just know Sundowns is a
collector,
collective.
guys.
But anyway, Braga, let me conclude.
Ikwale Chenny che.
Hey, Matthews. Ke bone ba tlisa jersey number 12 for Leon ka di last minute.
Yeah.
Ke botsisa ba re ba mo mapela Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Yo.
Tada.
And then potsisa Roma ka ke ma Leon.
Ma.
Duba. Angere dlala ko morao.
Yo. He lokoriwa modimo.
So di tlo boya Braga, di tlo boya.
Lokoriwa go tuba.
Di tlo boya Braga but
Bandile.
and then let me give a credit to Williams. Clean sheet back to back
Again.
again. Wa ntlhalwanya Braga.
Again.
Allende.
Yeah.
He played very well.
Yeah.
Sundowns today they were using the spaces between because of because of Polokwane City ne tlwela dromo e buleile
Yeah.
and Sundowns hirang e kena ka mogala ya
ba.
punish wa ntlhalwanya Braga o ska ba late Braga ka laboraro
A o ska wa.
ke nya go bona live ya hao ya mo YouTube
Ne.
yeah
Ne.
ka laboraro
Sha.
and o yetse o nkere le favor
Eh.
o fitlha ka nako
Re tla di bereka.
ke game e kholo
Ke tla fitla wa tseba ke Spane.
ke game e kholo Braga
A o ska wa.
but anyway Braga
Ka 7 hoseng ke tla be ke le mo.
ka
7 hoseng.
a ke tla ba khopela ba organize teye so mara
E wa ntshole.
thank you tsa mo resta Braga o tlhapolokwane for Nedbank
Thank you General.
so today o tlile ka mo ba rasetsa fela Braga re ke ba khale last time ne ba lora o tle mo di gaming tsa mo Loftus mara ba palla gore Thibo Dange o lapile o tlhapolokwane for Nedbank mara today o mo
Ne
Loftus
ke le shishego fo.
le seshigo hape during the week o traverse twice ko Limpopo ko Polokwane
A ke robane.
a o robala o tlile Loftus mara o ka se utlwe ba re mafentshwete thank you ntho e ba e tsebang gore ya yes Thibo o le sell out le Pirates mara I'm sorry Braga you won't see it ne Pirates is not winning this league
Yeah. I won't see it.
you won't see it
won't
o le
see it.
Pirates yes sorry Braga
Se mo capture rive.
Therefore, mara ba winne di goal angere le na le winne di goal
Sorry, bro. I know you wanted to see.
yeah it's one of them
Sorry, no.
sorry
Sorry, bro. You're gonna be okay. man.
Durban City is going with Kaizer Chiefs
okay?
Confederation Cup.
You're gonna be right, bro. You're gonna be right. Man. It's okay, no?
Equal.
Sure, bro. Sure.